Welcome in Chicago with a 2-hour delay for a tornado. So we got very unlucky. Unfortunately, we can spend only 2 hours and a half here. We got the ticket previously for the Skydeck. So it's the observatory with a glass window that you can walk on it. So we are gonna go there at first. The weather, it's like super horrible, so it's very foggy, so we hope to see something. So we left the extra luggages that we had with us at the coin locker. So we paid only one locker for all the luggages that we had with us, and it's gonna be $6 per hour, maximum $18 per day. So follow me around Chicago for a short time.
Alright, what's happening, guys?
One of the tower's 104 elevator cars. Your trip to the Skydeck will only take about a minute and a half. That means your elevator is traveling at a speed of more than 16 feet per second. The tower opened its doors in 1973 and held the title of the world's tallest building for 25 years. The west antenna reaches 1,730 feet above the Chicago streets. We're now passing 850 feet and San Francisco's Transamerica Pyramid, 970 feet and the Yokohama Landmark Tower, Japan's tallest building, 1,062 feet and Paris's stunning Eiffel Tower, completed in 1889, 1,205 feet and the Bank of China Tower in Hong Kong, 1,250 feet and the Empire State Building in New York. And now we're here, 103 stories up. Welcome to the top.
On the top, Michigan Lake. Look how blue it is. So beautiful. Weather, it's not so nice though. How much is the ticket? I paid $17 because I found a deal on Travelzoo. If you want more information about Travelzoo, you will find the link under my video. The best time to go on the Skydeck is absolutely weekdays. Weekend can be extra crowded. Walking to the beach.
Hold on, Tony, I want to take your picture.
Here we are, that's our lunch. We went to Giordano's to get the deep dish pizza. Now we are gonna open it. Oh my gosh, it's so huge.
That is huge.
So inside there's pepperoni, mushroom, what else? Bell peppers, right? Onions, so yummy. It was crazy expensive, but it's once in the life.
Yes.
So much cheese! We paid $30 for that pizza. Add me on YouTube to see the third video of this trip. The third video is gonna be the most amazing one because we are gonna have good views, because we are gonna go from Chicago to Sacramento. So we are gonna cross Colorado and the Rocky Mountains. So you will see very, very amazing views in this stretch of the trip. So follow me and I'm waiting comments. Caffè cappuccini!